Hello there, it's Harith from Bonsai Labs. In today's JavaScript session, we will learn how to split a string in JavaScript using various examples. So let's dive in. We are going to start with a new string which says I love JavaScript, and then we are going to create a variable called split result which will contain the result of s.split, and the input to split is love as separator, and finally we are going to print the result onto the console. Let's run it. The result is an array that contains two elements, I which exists before love and JavaScript that exists after love in the original string. Now what happens if the separator does not exist in the original string? So let's say I change it to like, and I clear the screen and run it. The result contains an array that consists of one element with the entire string as the result. Now I will change the input string to Bonsai Labs, and what happens if I do not provide any argument to split method? As I clean and run, you would see that the returned array consists of one element consisting of the original string Bonsai Labs. Now I will change the input string to JavaScript starting with the vertical bar character, and I will split based on the vertical bar character. Now as I clean and run, you would see that the resulting array consists of an empty string at the start. If the separator exists at the end of the string, we will clean and run to confirm that the resulting array consists of the empty string as the last element of the array. If the separator exists both at the start and at the end of the string, the resulting array will consist of empty strings as the first and the last element of the result array. Now I will change the input string to Bonsai Labs, and what happens if the separator is an empty string? As we run, we will see that the entire string has been converted into the array of characters. We'll clear the screen, and this time we are going to use a string that contains multiple commas and use comma as the separator for the split method. As we run, we will see that our result contains 4 elements in an array, each element created by using comma as the separator. Now you can limit how many results you want by passing in the second argument to split and giving a positive number. As we run, you would see that the result only contains first two results of the split. Since the second argument is number, how about we change it to 0 and see what happens? So when we clean and run, you would see when the number is 0, no split happens and the result is an empty array. And what happens if we change this number to be a negative number, let's say -1? In that case, when you clean and run, you would see that split performs the complete split. It disregards the negative number because it expects a positive number to be part of the limit. And that's it. If you like the video, consider subscribing us to receive more engaging content about JavaScript every single week. Until then, keep learning new skills and apply them regularly to become an expert programmer. See you next time.